Hi guys, it's Bree from The.breehive. In this video, I've done different dinner recipes that my toddler loves to eat as well. So let's get started. So tonight I'm making a broccoli falafel salad. I'm going to start by cutting up around a quarter of a Jap pumpkin. So I'm just dicing them into cubes and putting them on a baking tray into my oven for around 20 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Then to start on my falafels, I just use around 1 cup of the frozen broccoli and around half a cup of the Mt Zero Falafel mix and around half a cup of water, but I add more if I need it, into my food processor. And then I just process that up until it resembles sort of a thick paste that's moldable. Then I'm going to line a glass tray with baking paper again and using an ice cream mold. Sorry about the sneeze. I'm just going to mold them into balls with my hands and just fill up the tray and bake them at, you guessed it, 180 again for 20 or 30 minutes. Sometimes they take a little bit longer, just depending how brown you want them. Now I'm going to make my salad, so I'm just using a mixed salad leaf, beetroot, Pepita seeds, hemp seeds, and then this Meredith goat's feta that's marinated. It's the best feta in the world. So the dressing is about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, around 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I use the Cobram brand, and then just some Himalayan salt. And I just mix that together and pour it on top. Now that my pumpkin's done, I'm just adding it to the salad and putting the broccoli falafel balls on top and mixing it all together. And that is my broccoli falafel salad. Today I'm making baked French toast. I'm going to start by making a loaf of bread in my Breville bread machine. I just use the Lockheed packet mix and just follow the instructions for my bread machine. So I do it on the French setting and I do it hard so it comes out as crusty as possible. So the bread takes around 3 hours to cook, and then I'm just going to get it out of the tin now. So now I'm just lining a glass tray with baking paper. Now I'm just going to get a large bowl and then I rip up around half a loaf of bread into chunks and just whack it into the bowl. So I used around 4 eggs for half a loaf of bread. And then I add around a 1/4 cup of almond milk and around a teaspoon of cinnamon and just whisk that all together really well. Then I just poured the mixture on top of the bread and I used a glove just to mix it all together really well. Then when I was popping it in the tray, I just made sure to leave a bit of space in between just so it bakes evenly. Then I baked it in the oven at 200 degrees for around half an hour and just put some maple syrup on top. But you can put banana, berries, pretty much any type of fruit on top and it will taste really good. This is the Planet Box tray. We got this off the Biomi website. My son really loves to eat with this, so I just added banana, Greek yogurt. I put some chocolate on top of the banana as well, added some almonds and some blueberries to the side, and that was his breakfast dinner. Today I'm making sourdough beef burgers. So I'm using these Cleavers burgers, beetroot, tomato, lettuce, onion relish, and this amazing sourdough you can get from Coles that's organic. So I started by cutting up my tomato just in half, and then washing my lettuce, cutting up a purple onion. I just used my peeler to get some cheese, and then the beetroot I just cut into slices. So I cooked my Cleavers beef burgers just on my stainless steel pan with some olive oil, and then I put the cheese on top and put it back over the heat just to melt the cheese onto the burger. And then I toasted my sourdough bread just lightly and put some butter on it. I use block butter, so it's a little harder to spread. Then I assembled my burger with the onion, tomato, beetroot, caramelised onion, just to help hold the lettuce on. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments what you'd like me to do next. Thanks so much for watching.